Invest time wisely at 20. Investing your time effectively at the age of 20 is crucial for personal growth, skill development, and setting a strong foundation for your future. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to make the most of this valuable resource. Education. Consider your academic pursuits a top priority. Whether you're in college, university, or pursuing vocational training, focus on learning and gaining knowledge. This investment can open doors to various opportunities. Skill development. In addition to formal education, invest your time in developing practical skills. Identify skills that align with your interests and career goals, whether it's programming, graphic design, or a foreign language. Work and internships. Gain practical experience by working part-time jobs or internships in your chosen field. These experiences not only build your resume but also provide valuable insights into your industry. Networking. Building a strong professional network can be a game changer. Attend seminars, workshops, and conferences related to your interests. Join relevant social and professional groups both online and offline. Health and fitness. Allocate time for regular exercise and a balanced diet. Physical health is the foundation for a successful and fulfilling life. Mental health. Prioritize your mental well-being. Consider mindfulness practices, meditation, or therapy to manage stress and anxiety. Hobbies and passions. Don't forget to make time for your hobbies and passions. These activities provide relaxation, creativity, and a sense of fulfillment. Reading. Reading is an excellent way to broaden your horizons. Make it a habit to read books, articles, and news that pique your interest. Volunteer and giving back. Spend some of your time contributing to your community or causes you care about. Volunteering can be personally rewarding and teach you important life skills. Financial literacy. Start learning about personal finance, savings, and investments. Even small financial investments can grow over time, securing your future. Travel and exploration. If circumstances allow, travel to new places, meet different people, and experience diverse cultures. This can be a valuable form of education. Set goals. Define both short-term and long-term goals. Having clear objectives can guide your time investments and keep you motivated. Time management. Learn effective time management techniques to make the most of your day. Tools like to-do lists and time blocking can help you stay organized. Experiment and take risks. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Failure is often a great teacher and can lead to unexpected opportunities. Stay informed. Stay updated on current events and trends. Understanding the world around you is essential for making informed decisions. Relationships. Invest time in building and nurturing relationships with family and friends. These connections provide support and enrich your life. Self-reflection. Periodically reflect on your goals, values, and experiences. This self-awareness will help you adjust your time investments as you grow and change. Digital skills. In today's digital age, proficiency in technology is vital. Invest time in learning software tools, digital marketing, and online communication to stay relevant in the job market. Entrepreneurship. If you have entrepreneurial aspirations, invest some time in researching and developing your business ideas. Learn about business plans, marketing, and budgeting. Environmental awareness. As stewards of the planet, it's important to invest time in understanding environmental issues and sustainable practices. Consider participating in eco-friendly initiatives. Cultural appreciation. Explore different cultures through music, art, cuisine, and travel. This broadens your perspective and enhances your cultural awareness. Embrace challenges. Don't shy away from challenges or discomfort. Growth often happens outside your comfort zone. Embrace new experiences that push your boundaries. Set boundaries. While investing time in various aspects of life is essential, it's equally important to set boundaries. Ensure you have time for relaxation, leisure, and quality rest. Adaptability. Be open to change and adaptability. The ability to pivot and adjust to unforeseen circumstances is a valuable skill. Plan for the future. Consider your long-term goals, such as homeownership, retirement, or further education. Begin planning and saving for these milestones early. Document your journey. Keep a journal, blog, or some form of documentation to track your personal growth. This can be a valuable source of reflection and motivation. Mentorship. Seek out mentors who can provide guidance and support in your personal and professional development. Their wisdom can be invaluable. Digital detox. In a world saturated with screens, consider periodic digital detoxes. Unplug from technology to recharge and reconnect with the physical world. Gratitude. Practice gratitude daily. Acknowledging the positive aspects of your life can improve your mental and emotional well-being. Sustainability. Develop sustainable habits, not just for the environment, but for your own life. This includes time management, financial planning, and personal relationships. In conclusion, your 20s are a precious and formative time in your life. How you invest your time during this period can have a profound impact on your future. Remember to maintain a balance between personal and professional growth, self-care, and a sense of adventure. Continually assess your goals and adapt your time investments to align with your evolving aspirations. The key is to make every moment count and use your time wisely to create a fulfilling and purposeful life.